morning. Guys, today we will discuss about flow. So there will be a question in your mind, sir हमने कल भी तो यही पढ़ा था, flow. Today we will discuss flow according to OSI model. Fine. I will take two cases. In one cases, the server I will be accessing will exist in my network. Second case, the server I will be accessing will exist in different network. How devices will use OSI model? Why router is called layer 3, why switch is called layer 2? Today we will discuss that thing. Fine. Any issues to anybody? Now guys, let's start. Case number 1. When destination server is in my network. Fine. So what example I can use? What diagram I can use? What topology I can use? क्या टोपोलॉजी बना सकता हूं मैं? This is host. It is connected to a switch is connected to the, or you can say server is connected to the switch, or you can say both the devices are connected to the switch. Fine. This is port number 1. This is port number 2. So what is the first thing that I have to do? First of all, I will build up a packet. Fine. I will build up the data stream. मैं वो डेटा बनाऊंगा जो कंप्यूटर सेंड करेगा with all header information. Agree? स्टार्ट करते हैं. MAC address of this system is A. MAC address of server is B. IP address of this computer is 192.168.1.1/20. IP address of server is 192.168.1.2/24. Now see, this computer will send a packet or will send some data to the server. Okay, let us take an example. This computer is accessing this server. What do you mean by accessing? Accessing means some HTML code is present on the server. What I will do? I will fetch that HTML code. I will fetch that HTML code. What I am trying to say? All of you use Facebook. So what you are doing here? That is not HTML. That is PHP code. If I talk about Facebook, that is PHP code stored at where? Facebook server. You will fetch that code. The code will be downloaded in your browser, and your browser will show that code in form of images, text, all those things. Fine. It means this server is acting as a HTTP server. Agree? So first of all, what I will do? I will draw data. So at layer 7, what I am using? At layer 6, I am using nothing. At layer 5, I am using nothing. At layer 4, I am using source port. After that, destination port will be 80. Agree? At layer 3, source IP. Source IP is okay. In short, I can write 1.1. Destination IP. Agree? Source MAC. Destination MAC. This computer can only insert destination MAC be here only when destination MAC is present in the R table. Anybody is having any doubt? पक्का? चले आगे? You're getting the thing? Fine. After that, information will be converted into bits. Actually, at layer 1, information is not converted into bits. सोना नहीं है, आपको ही बोल रहा हूँ. हाँ, बाहर भेज दूंगा. At layer 1, actually information is not converted into bits. What is the work of layer 1? To define physical media. At layer 1, it is decided that through which interface this data will go out. What is the work of physical layer? To decide from which interface this data will go out. On a computer, there is only one interface. So every time at physical layer, interface will be, let's say this interface is F0. So this interface will be F0. Fine. So what we assume that this switch has already maintained a MAC address table. That at port number 1, what device is connected whose MAC address is? At port number 2, a device is connected whose MAC address is B. Now computer will forward this data to the switch. Now switch will receive data at which layer? Physical layer. It means switch will receive data in form of bits. Now what switch will do? Switch will check source MAC. Source MAC is A. It means switch already have an entry for source MAC. Agree? Now switch will check destination MAC is B. Now switch will check destination MAC is B. It means I have to forward data out of port number 2. Agree? Any issue? Now guys, switch is checking layer 3 information? No. Switch is not checking layer 3 information. Switch is just checking to forward the data. That's why we call switch a layer 2 device. It doesn't mean कि स्विच को आईपी के बारे में पता नहीं है या स्विच को आईपी समझ में नहीं आती. Switch knows about IP, switch will understand IP, but switch is a layer 2 device because switch forwards information on the base of MAC address. याद रखना, आप जितना मर्जी पढ़ लो, when you will go to other country, आप अपनी एक छोटी सोच की वजह से रहोगे इंडिया नहीं. आप अपने आप को जितना मर्जी चेंज कर लो, fine. When you will go to US, we people actually have a low level of thinking. Yes, मेरी भी है, आपकी भी है, सबकी है, सब इंडियंस की है. वहां पे जाके हम रहेंगे इंडिया नहीं. हम बातें सारी समझेंगे लेकिन रहेंगे हम like switch. Switch will understand IP also, port number also. Switch will understand information from layer 1 to layer 7, but it will work at layer 2 because it will always use MAC addresses for forwarding. Switch क्या use करेगा forwarding के लिए? MAC address. MAC address किस layer पे decide करते हैं? Layer 2 पे. Agree? Now switch will check destination MAC address. Switch will forward information out of port number 2. Information is received by server. Now guys, next thing. Server will also receive information in form of. Now server will check destination MAC address. Destination MAC address is B. Server will say it's mine. ये मेरा है. It means server will get to know that yes, this packet is for me. Now server will check what is present in this packet. Server has checked information up to which layer? Layer 2 तक उसने information check कर ली. Server has checked information up to layer 2. Now server has to check information of layer 3. But here is one thing. At layer 3, which protocol is used? how server will get to know about that thing? Question is clear? At layer 3 there can be many protocols. There can be ICMP also, there can be IP also, there can be EIGRP also. What I am saying, many protocols we are running at layer 3. How server will get to know that at layer 3 in this request IP is present? So in layer 2 header there will be a field. In layer 2 header there will be a field called type field. What is the use of type field? In type field there will be a hexadecimal value. Which value? It means this hexa value decimal represent what it will represent? Layer 3 protocol. Now guys, one thing is clear. If there is no type field, if there is, data cannot travel to layer 3. Data will remain to layer 2. Agree? Any issue? Now, in this type field, value is value is 0x80000, which represents that at layer 3 protocol is IP. Now this server will get to know that at layer 3 which protocol is used? IP. Which protocol is used? IP. This thing is clear? So the new thing that we have learned, that at layer 2 or in layer 2 header there will be a field called type field. What is the use of type field? Type field is used to represent at layer 3 which protocol we will be using. Agree? Any issue? No. Now we reach up to layer 3. Computer will check what? Computer will check destination IP. Yes. Computer will say yes. It is me. मैं ही हूँ. This packet is for me. Agree? Now, what thing will tell computer that at layer 4 TCP is used? Agree or not? There must be a field representing at a particular layer that at next layer which protocol we are using. Agree or not? At layer 3, or you can say in layer 3 header, we have a field called protocol number. Protocol number field at layer 3 is used to specify what thing? Read there. What further protocol is used? This thing is clear. अगर ये protocol field नहीं होगी, if this field is not present, I will never get to know at layer 4 or what further protocol we are using. Agree? Now, in this protocol field, value will be 6. See, I am writing here some values. If value is 6, it means we are using, if value is 17, it means we are using UDP. If value is 1, it means we are using ICMP. If value is 88. It means we are using, if value is 89, we are using, if value is 2, it means we are using, this thing is clear to all of you? Fine. प्रोटोकॉल फील्ड का काम इतना ही है कि लेयर 3 को बताना कि फर्दर प्रोटोकॉल कौन सा यूज होगा. फाइन. दिस टाइम वैल्यू विल बी 0.6. क्यों? एट लेयर 4 वी आर यूजिंग TCP. एग्री और नॉट? सो कंप्यूटर विल चेक. At layer 4 we are using TCP. एग्री? कंप्यूटर को पता कैसे चला हम लेयर 4 पे क्या यूज कर रहे हैं? TCP. किस फील्ड से पता चला? प्रोटोकॉल फील्ड से. फाइन. नाउ at layer 4 server will check port number. Which port number? Destination port number will be 80. Server will say this request is for HTTP and server will hand over data to HTTP. This thing is clear? Any problem? Any issues? So what is the use of type field? मैंने ऐसे बताया था. It is in layer 2 header. Next, what is the use of type field? कौन सी लेयर पे? लेयर 3 पे. एग्री? व्हाट इज द यूज ऑफ प्रोटोकॉल फील्ड? मैंने फोर्थ लेयर लिखा था, मैंने फर्दर लिखा था. ठीक है जी. वो प्रोटोकॉल लेयर 3 का भी हो सकता है. एग्री? दिस थिंग इज क्लियर. चले आगे. नाउ आई विल टेक सेकेंड केस इन विच सर्वर इज प्रेजेंट इन अ डिफरेंट नेटवर्क. स्विच समझ में आया लेयर 2 पे कैसे काम करता है? हाउ स्विच इज वर्किंग एट लेयर 2. दिस थिंग इज क्लियर. How many broadcast domain and collision domains are there? How many collision domains? Are you sure? 4 collision domains and 2. Everyone know how to count? किसको नहीं पता? भाई, router is a device which will divide broadcast domain and collision domain. Router will always divide broadcast domain and what about switch? One broadcast domain and per port. Okay, we will start counting from here. One collision domain, second, third, fourth. Fine. Agree? Broadcast domain. This guy will generate a broadcast. This will reach up to this point. This guy will generate a broadcast. This will reach up to this point. How many broadcast domains are there? 1, 2. Fine. This is a which server? Any problem? No. MAC address A, MAC address B, FA0 / MAC address FA0 / MAC address D. IP. I am not defining subnet mask here. Subnet mask will be /8. Any problem with the diagram? Any issues? Fine. Port number 2. Switch already has a MAC address table. That to port number 1, a device is connected whose MAC address is A. To port number 2, a device is connected whose MAC address is B. This switch is already has its MAC address table. To port number 1, a device is connected whose MAC address is to port number. Fine. Any issue? Router will build a routing table. Fine. C. Second C. Fine. Any issues? No. Now guys, this computer want to access the server. Computer is having a ARP table also. In ARP table, computer is having an entry for 10.0.0. 10 is having MAC address B, and this server is also having a ARP table. In the ARP table of server, we have an entry 20.0.0.20 is having a MAC address C. Router is also having a ARP table, and router knows about that 10.0.0.1 is having MAC address A and 20.0.0.1 is having MAC address D. Clear? Now guys, this computer want to access this server. This computer will maintain a packet, make a packet. At layer 7, protocol will be at layer 6, layer 5, at layer 4. There will be source port number and destination port number. Source port number is, destination is 80. Visible? At layer 3, source IP, destination IP, source MAC A, destination MAC, destination MAC, destination MAC. Whenever this computer will forward traffic, destination MAC will be of my default gateway. Agree? We discussed this thing already? Fine. At layer 1, this computer will write its exit interface. Exit interface is FA0. This traffic will go out of this interface. It will receive by a switch. Now switch will be receiving traffic on interface number 1. Switch already has an entry for A. Switch will check destination MAC address. Destination MAC is B. Switch will forward information out of which port? Port number 2. Guys, switch is checking which layer only? Layer 2. That's why we call switch a layer 2 device. समझता सब कुछ है. Switch will understand each layer, layer 1 to layer 7. But forwarding will be done on the basis of layer 2. Fine. Information will reach router's interface. First of all, router will check which layer? See, first of all, router will receive information in the form of bits. Router will convert it into frames. Fine. Now router will check first of all destination MAC. Destination MAC is B. Router will say yes, it's for me. Agree? Now, what router will do? Router will check type field. Agree? In type field, value will be. Router will get to know at layer 3 which protocol is used. IP. Router will check destination IP. Destination IP is. Now the game begin. अब स्टार्ट होगी गेम. गेम क्या है? आपके घर पहले हिंदी में फिर इंग्लिश में. आपके घर एक लेटर आया. आपका नाम क्या? रवि. रवि आपके घर एक लेटर आया. आपके एड्रेस पे नहीं था. आपसे 10 घर छोड़ के एक एड्रेस था, उसमें वो लेटर जा रहा है. क्या करोगे आप? उसको खोल के देखोगे? देखना तो पड़ेगा ही. उसमें नया आपके घर के सामने खड़ा है, आपको लेटर दे रहा है, मिस्टर शर्मा टेक योर लेटर. व्हाट यू विल से? आई एम नॉट मिस्टर शर्मा बट आई नो वेयर मिस्टर शर्मा लिव्स. I can tell you the way that you can go to Mr. Sharma's place. मैं तुम्हें रास्ता बता सकता हूँ, तुम कहाँ तक चले जाओ? मिस्टर शर्मा के तक. Agree? This thing is clear? देखो दो ही चीजें होती हैं. या तो जो चीज मुझे मिल रही है वो मेरे लिए है, या फिर जैसे मम्मी ने दिया सुबह सुबह उठते, बेटा ये 100 रुपए. बेटा खुश हो गया. कितना ज्यादा ज्यादा मंदिर में देते हैं. Agree? There are only two cases. First, the thing I am getting is for me, and second, I am just a transit person. Like in second case, when my mother gave me 100 rupees, and what she told me that give it to the pujari. What do you call pujari in English? Priest. So I was just the transit part. I was the one who was taking that 100 rupee note from my mother to priest. Now, router is receiving the information. Router will check destination IP is 20.0.0. Now, what router will do? Router will say this thing, that this packet is not for me. I have to forward this packet. मुझे इस पैकेट को क्या करना है? See what I am trying to tell you. At this point, router will never check protocol field because destination IP is not of router. देखो आपके घर लेटर आया, आपने उस पे एड्रेस पढ़ा और आपको पता चल गया आपका नहीं है. राउटर ने क्या पढ़ा? What router read? Address. Address is 20.0.0.1. This address is not a router. Router will say, I will not open the packet anymore. I will just forward it. This thing is clear. This thing is fine. But if in this case destination IP is 10.0.0.10, then router will check information of layer 4 also, and layer 5 also, layer 6 also, and layer. It means who has the power? Who has the power to check information of layer 4? Who has the IP? जिसके लिए वो पैकेट आया है. This thing is clear? दोबारा बता रहा हूँ. In this case, destination IP is 20.0.0.1. Router will say, this is not my IP. It means I don't have to check information of layer 4. I just have to forward this packet. Fine. If this destination IP is 10.0.0.10, then router will check information of layer 4 also. क्योंकि वो destined किसके लिए होता? Router के लिए. This thing is clear? This thing is fine? Now, destination IP is 20.0.0.1. What router will say? This packet is not for me. I just have to forward it. Now, router has to forward a packet. What router will do first thing? First thing, router will check routing table. In routing table, we have an entry that I know about which network. 20 network. Yes, I have an entry. Router will say yes, I know about destination network. Second thing, to which interface it is connected. Now router will again check routing table and router will get to know to which interface it is connected. F0 by 1. So exit interface will be F0 by. Third thing router will do, router will switch this data from F0 by 0 to F0 by 1. Agree? Next thing router will do, now router will say I have to send packet to 20.0.0.1. Do I know about its MAC address? Agree or not? Yes. What I told you in the beginning, router has R table. Router already knows about 20.0.0.1 also and 10.0.0.1 also. 20.0.0.1 is having MAC address D, 10.0.0.1 is having MAC address A. Clear? Now router will, next thing that router will do, router will change layer 2 information in the packet, or you can say in the data. Fine. So now how layer 2 information, how my data will look like? Everything will be same, but instead of this layer 2 information, source MAC will be C and destination MAC will be D. Source MAC will be C and destination will be D. D. This thing is clear? Fine. Now, one thing is still left, but I will repeat it. I will tell you about that thing when I will discuss reply from server to computer. Fine. Now router will check layer 2 information. Router will change layer 2 information also, and router will forward this information to switch. Fine. Now switch will say source MAC is C. Already know about C. Destination MAC is D. Forward it out of port number 1. It is received by server. Server will check which layer information. First of all, layer 1. After that, layer 2. Destination MAC address is D. It is for me. After that, destination IP 20.0.0.1. It is for me. It means server will say yes, this is for me. It means I have to check which layer information? Layer 4. Which layer information? 4. Layer 4. Now server will check layer 4 information, and server will get to know destination port number is 80. It means this data is for HTTP. This data is for HTTP. He will hand over data to HTTP. Guys, now one most important thing. How many of you know about TTL? TTL. Time to live. What do you mean by TTL? Guys, till now, हाँ सागर आप बताओ. ब्रो टाइम नहीं होता है. सॉरी, हाँ हाँ बताओ यार, बोलो, अभी बोलो। टाइम ले रहा है, ठीक है, बिल्कुल सही। अभी कोई नहीं, आप बताओ। नहीं सुना आपने पहले कभी टीटीएल? आपने सुना है? ओके, मैं दिखाता हूं आप सबको, इधर देखो, बहुत ध्यान से देखना। आखिरी में लिखा हुआ है टीटीएल 128, दिख रहा है सबको? सबको मतलब टीटीएल टाइम तो नहीं है। मैं समझ गया आपकी बात, आप क्या कहना चाहते हो। आई गॉट योर पॉइंट, फाइन। नाउ पहला क्वेश्चन, टीटीएल इज प्रेजेंट इन विच लेयर? TTL is present in layer 3 header. In which header? Now, what will be the behavior of TTL? TTL काम कैसे करेगा? देखें, बहुत आसान है इसको समझना, वेरी इजी। सी हियर, मैंने आई हैव एडिड अ न्यू फील्ड हियर, TTL, let's say TTL, what value? 100. This computer will forward this data. This will be received on which interface of router? FA0/0. As information is received by router, okay, I will write the full line. As information is received by router, TTL is decremented by, मतलब in the beginning TTL was 100, agree? In the beginning TTL was that, this is the previous case, sorry. In the beginning TTL was 100. When this information will be received here, TTL will be, when it will send it out, it will be 99. Fine. If we have a topology like this, I am drawing a topology just to show you the behavior of TTL. MS Paint. Fine. A want to communicate with B. A will send some data. Let's say when A is sending data, in layer 3 header TTL is 128. When it will be received here, TTL will be 120. It will go out as 127. When it will be received on this interface, 126. 120, it will be received by the computer. Any problem? Any issue? What I write here? Read it out. The device which has the capability to rebuild layer 2 information can decrement TTL. Fine. कौन सा डिवाइस होता है ऐसा नेटवर्क में? आपने कौन सा डिवाइस पढ़ा है? होते बहुत सारे हैं. See now, router is forwarding information on the basis of which layer? Layer 3. On the basis of IP. Second thing, routing table. This thing is clear? That's why we call router a layer 3 device. If I see the overall view, so I can conclude this thing, that this header is checked by switch and this header is checked by router for forwarding the information. Fine. So router works at which layer? 3. Switch works at which layer? 2. Fine. Use of protocol field. बिल्कुल सही. कल आईसीएमपी पढ़ के आना दिया होगा आपकी बुक में, पेज नंबर 114. सब लोग पढ़ के आएंगे आईसीएमपी. जब आएगी तब देखेंगे. कहाँ है लेयर 2 हेडर? Till now we know one thing, how router works, how router will forward information. Now we will discuss some basic things about router. How it looks like. सबको पता है कैसा दिखता है राउटर? अच्छा दिखता है? मस्त है? ठीक है जी. कुछ ऐसा दिखता है राउटर? फाइन. अगर मैं राउटर का बैक बनाता हूं, लोगों को बैक देखने का बहुत शौक होता है. फाइन. तो मेरे को भी है राउटर की बैक देखने का शौक. कंसोल पोर्ट, यहां होगा एक पावर केबल पोर्ट. आफ्टर दैट देयर विल बी अ ऑक्स. आफ्टर दैट 0 0 0 1. फाइन. After that sometimes we have serial interfaces and there will be a button also at the back to turn the device on or off. Don't think too much, otherwise you will be lost. Fine. Now all of you know what are the uses of these ports? All of you know what is the use of power cable port? To give power supply. What is the use of console port? To access the CLI. What is the use of aux port?
Alternative of console port.
It is the alternate to console. One more homework to all of you. Use of aux port. Homework. Next, FA00 FA. What is the use of these ports? to connect router to a router, or to a switch, or to a host, or to a server. What is the use of serial port? Connect from router to router. This thing is clear. Fine. Next thing, there are two types of routers. Modular, non. What do you mean by modular? Where we can add, what are modules? Guys, if you have noticed one thing on router, you can plug in or plug out serial interfaces. You have noticed this thing? How many of you have noticed? Tomorrow or today, when you will visit lab again, try to notice that you can plug in and plug out both fast Ethernet and serial interfaces. Fine. So what are modular routers on which you have this facility? What are non-modular routers? When you don't have such facility. एग्जाम्पल तो बहुत अच्छा है मेरे पास, पर दूंगा नहीं. फाइन. सोच लो. ISR and non-ISR. There is one more category where I can divide routers. One is ISR, other one is, what do you mean by ISR? Integrated service routers. ISR stands for, non-ISR means non-integrated service routers. Guys, just tell me one thing. What's your name? From where you are? From in Andhra, from where? In Vizag. You are from which college? Vignan College. Vignan College. There is a college in Vizag, Vignan. Outside Visakhapatnam. Yeah. I went there 6 months back for 15 days. Summer training. Vizag is a nice place, but after, what was that? Hoodoo. Everything destroyed. Okay. So, your name Kiran. Kiran, just tell me one thing. If you are a owner of rice industry, fine, you have a network of 20 computers. Do you need security? No. So, which router you will purchase? ISR or non-ISR? Non-ISR. I will purchase a router in which security services are not present. So, the routers in which security services are by default present is called ISR, and non-ISR means security features are by default not present. Fine. Next thing. Types of memory in router. How many types of memory are there in the router? First is सब पता तुम्हें तो रोम. नेक्स्ट थिंग बस. What do we call fifth memory? Buffer. ठीक है. What is RAM? It's a, what do you mean by volatile? After a power cycle, information will not be saved. What is NVRAM? What is ROM? What is flash? What is buffer? Wait, रुक जाओ. Fine. If you know about memory, you must be knowing about these two terms. All of you know about what is startup configuration and what is running configuration. What is startup configuration? Startup configuration is the configuration present on router and it is saved. And it is running configuration is the configuration which is not saved. Guys, at this time, the paint file I am working in is present in RAM or hard drive, hard disk? RAM. If I shut down my computer at the same time, this file will be lost. It means it is stored in RAM. The work I am doing on router, the configuration I am doing is stored in running configuration. But when I save it, it is saved in startup configuration. This thing is fine to all of you? Any problem? Good. Startup configuration is stored in NVRAM and running configuration is stored in RAM. Why? Anybody? What is startup configuration? Startup configuration जो सेव रहती है. Save information, where information will be saved? In volatile memory or non-volatile memory? So startup configuration is always saved in NVRAM and running configuration is saved in RAM. Next thing, boot process of router. Have you gone through it? कभी सुना, पढ़ा है आपने? पढ़ा है? कहाँ पे? बुक में पढ़ा था? पढ़ा है आपने? ठीक है जी, होमवर्क कल पढ़ के आना बुक में से. बूट प्रोसेस ऑफ राउटर. और नहीं पढ़ा रहा मैं आज, बहुत है आज के लिए. ओवरफ्लो कर जाएगा यार, सोने वाले हैं बच्चे यार.